Hey everyone, M1 Shadow here. Today I have a recipe for a tuna steak sandwich. This is pretty easy to do, so let's get started. So first thing we want to do is season our tuna. I've got some all-purpose, smoky all-purpose seasoning. Let's go ahead and put some of that on there. I'm going to also hit it with some oregano. And we're also going to take some fresh lemon juice and get some of that on there. Then want to kind of press it in. Then we're going to flip it over and we're going to repeat on the other side. So here we have our pan. It's on medium heat. Let's go ahead and get some olive oil in there. Go ahead and get that olive oil all over the pan. Now we're going to throw our tuna steak on there. And the big piece is about a 4-ounce piece. And this is just an extra piece I have. But we're going to go ahead and cover it and come back and check on it between 5 to 7 minutes. So here we are about 5 minutes later. Let's go ahead and flip these over. I've got some mushrooms over here. We're going to go ahead and throw them in there. Hit them with some black pepper, some salt. We're going to cover these again, and then every couple minutes for the next 5 minutes, we're going to keep stirring up the mushrooms. Here we are, about another 5 minutes later. Let's go ahead and get these mushrooms on top of the steak. Now we have a piece of Gouda cheese. We're going to throw that on there. We're going to cover this, and this should be melted in probably about 1 to 2 minutes. And here you have it. Our tuna steak sandwich is done. We've got it on some bread with some spring mix lettuce, some tomatoes, and a little bit of mayonnaise. Let's give it a taste test. Very delicious and flavorful. But as I always say, do not take my word for it. Give this one a try. As always, I do want to thank you all for watching, and have a good one.